The digital infrastructure we rely on is breaking down. Cybercrime, outages, and rising cloud costs are exposing the fragility of centralized systems. These platforms were built for humans, not for the upcoming machine economy. The shift is imminent. Dappster is our answer. Decentralized apps built in minutes. No code, no servers, no middlemen. Just describe, configure, and deploy. How does it work? Two libraries of composable building blocks that snap together into exactly what you need. BOSS, the business operating software stack. CRM, ERP, audio and video calls, invoicing, everything you need to run a venture. HIS, the hardware integration software stack. Renting, scheduling, 3D printing, fabrication for machines that work alongside you. But here's the most disruptive part. Alvin is the bridge that makes his modules possible. Your application connects to the physical world. Robots, printers, locks, vehicles. Machines with wallets. Machines that accept payment, execute jobs, and transact with each other autonomously. Dappster is the AI-powered app builder running entirely on the Internet Computer Protocol. Just describe what you need in plain language and Dappster's AI will configure everything for you automatically. Hit deploy and watch your application go live on the blockchain in minutes. No backend setup, no database configuration, no server management. Every module is a battle-tested smart contract ready for real users from day one. When you deploy, Dappster creates a network of interconnected canisters across ICP's decentralized infrastructure. Your frontend, your backend, your data, everything lives on-chain. Tamper-proof and unstoppable. Create discussion forums where your community owns the conversation. Topics, threads, replies, all stored permanently, all cryptographically secured. Direct messaging and group conversations that sync instantly across devices. Every message recorded on-chain, yet as responsive as any centralized app. Face-to-face collaboration without third-party surveillance. Audio and video calls coordinated through the blockchain, streamed peer-to-peer. Even your own token economy, built in from the start. Reward contributors, enable governance, real value transfer in under 2 seconds. Need something we don't have yet? Describe it to Caffeine. It will create a custom module on the spot, tailored to your exact requirements and fully integrated with the rest of your app. This is software that belongs to you, not to a platform, not to a cloud provider, not to anyone who can take it away. This is just the beginning. Dappster MVP is live now. Stop renting your business, start owning it.